Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Trello. It's a simple process that only takes a minute. So let's get started. First, log into your Trello account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Profile and Visibility. Now you're in the Profile and Visibility section. Here, look for Atlassian Profile and click on it. Under your personal details, you'll see your current profile picture. Click on the profile icon. Next, select Upload a Photo or Change Profile Photo. Now, browse your computer, select the picture you want to use and click Upload. And that's it. Your new profile picture is now updated across Trello. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.